What's good, Hilux fans? It's been 5 years since I rolled my car, and I am determined to get this thing back on the road. So like, subscribe, and hopefully, in the end, we'll go sideways again together. Hilux fans, we're down in the car park, and you know what that means? This thing is running. But before we start it up, I want to say a special thank you to Rhys at Arcade Garage, who connected remotely to the ECU this morning and made sure that after 5 years of sitting around, that this thing was working, the sensors were in spec, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to start it up, and this is the end of a long road. How you going? Yeah, good. How you going, guys? Making YouTube videos. I got 1,000 subs. Alright guys, we're about to start it up, and check this out, we're making friends. Two of the sharpest looking dudes I've seen in a while have come over there from Minic Property Group, and they've got that 370Z, so they're into cars. How you going, guys?
Yeah, not too bad, thank you.
Not too bad. And Minic Property Group sells property?
Everywhere in Perth, in WA.
And you guys are the best?
The Maddington Knights. If you're thinking of selling your property, let us know.
No worries, guys. So hit them up if that's your thing. And they're now been roped in to be my new camera crew. So I'm going to hand this over, and we're going to start her up. Let's do it. Happy moment. Happy moment. Turbo fan, let's do it. Loves it. So good. Alright, Hilux fans, until the next episode when we're out there ripping up dirt, keep it upright, and if you do roll it, supercharge the next one you get. See ya.